how you can save a WhatsApp voice message on your iPhone. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your WhatsApp. After you open your WhatsApp, just go to the text that has the voice message that you want to download. After you locate the voice message, just long press on it and tap on forward. After you tap on forward, just tap on this button that's on the bottom right. After you tap on it, you will see a lot of options. Just tap on save to files. After you tap on save to files, just tap on save and your voice message will get saved on your iPhone. So now you can go to your files on your iPhone and just locate the voice message and do whatever you want with it. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye, take care.